GardX protects tyres and alloy wheel maintenance plan. Everyday motoring causes minor scuffs and debris marks to your alloys and damage to your tyres, spoiling the look of your wheels, meaning you have to pay out for repair or replacement. GardX takes away this worry and inconvenience with our tyre and alloy wheel maintenance plan. You can book your maintenance inspection at the dealership up to 4 times per year. Our approved agents can provide treatments to your alloy wheels and repairs or replacements to tyres that have sustained damage, causing an air leak. Protect yourself from these unexpected expenses with GardX and drive away happy. Ask your dealer today. Protect your pride and joy. Go with GardX.